Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make Galaxy Meteorite cake. For all you space lovers out there, why not give it a go? Start with 200 grams of crushed charcoal cake and 50 grams of buttercream icing. Mix them together to form a dough. Then using your hands, you're going to mold them into meteorites. Then use a tool to poke some holes in them. Refrigerate for 30 minutes and then paint on silver food colouring. Make a few of these. Now get some chocolate cake and pipe on purple buttercream icing. Close it up and coat in black buttercream icing. Smooth it out, ready to decorate. A smidgen of purple and blue buttercream icing gets blended in on the outside, and a spray of white food colouring. Then just place your galaxy cake decorations on top. And there you have it, Galaxy Meteorite cake. Just slice it open and see the wonders that lie within. Ooh, chocolate. Yum!